Hello everyone, my name is K. Rajesh. I am from CSE C section. Today I am here to speak about functions of operating system. Introduction of operating system. An operating system acts as a communication bridge interface between the user and the computer hardware. The purpose of an operating system is to provide a platform on which a user can execute programs in a convenient and efficient manner. An operating system is a piece of software that manages the allocation of computer hardware. The coordination of the hardware must be appropriate to ensure the current working of the system and to prevent the user program from interfacing with the proper working of the system. What is operating system? An operating system is a program on which application programs are executed and acts as a communication bridge interface between the user and the computer hardware. The main task of the operating system carries out in a allocation of resources and services, such as allocation of memory, devices, processors, and information. The operating system also includes pro programs to manage these resources, such as traffic controller, a scheduler, memory management module, input-output programs, and a file system. Important functions of an operating system: security, control over system program, job accounting, error detecting aids, coordinate between other software and users, memory management, processor management, device management, file management. Security. The operating system uses password protection to protect your data and similar other techniques. It also prevents unauthorized access to programs and user data. Control over system program. Monitors overall system health to help improve program performance. Record, Records the response time between server request and system responses to have a complete view of the system health. This can help improve performance by improving important information needed to troubleshoot problems. Job accounting. Operating system keeps track of time and resources used by various tasks and users. This information can be used to track resources usage of a particular user or group of users. Error detecting aids. Operating system con constantly monitors the system to detect errors and avoid the malfunctioning of computer system. Coordination between other software and users. Operating systems also coordinate and assign interpreters, compilers, assemblers, and other software to a various users of the computer systems. Memory management. The operating system manages the primary memory or main memory. Main memory is made up of large array of bytes or words where each byte or word is assigned a certain address. Main memory is a fat storage and it can be accessed directly by the CPU. For the programs to be executed, it should be first loaded in the main memory. An operating system performs the following activities for memory management. It keeps tracks of primary memory, that is, which bytes of memory are used by which user program, the memory addresses that have already been allocated, and the memory addresses for the memory that has not yet been used. The multi-programming, the OS decides the order in which processors are granted access to memory and for how long. It allocates the memory to a process when the process requests it and deallocates the memory when the process has terminated or is programming an input-output operation. Processor management. In a multi-programming environment, the OS decides the order in which processors has access to the processor and how much processing time each process has. This function of OS is called scheduling. An operating system performs the following activities for processor management. Keeps tracks of the status of processing. The program which performs the task is known as traffic controller. Alloc allot allocations of allocates the CPU, that is processor, to a process. Deallocates processor when the process is no more required. Device management. An OS manages device communication via their respective drives. It, per- it performs the following activities for device management. Keeps tracks for all devices connected to system. De- design- designates designates a program responsible for every device known as the input-output controller. Decides which process gets access to a certain device and for how long. Allocates devices in an efficient and efficient way. Deallocates devices when they are no longer required. File management. A file system is organized into directories for efficient or easy navigation and usage. The, the these directories may contain other directories and other files. An operating system carries out the following file management activities. It keeps tracks of where information is stored, user user access systems and status of every file and more. These facilities are collectively known as file systems. Moreover, operating system also provides certain services to the computer system in one form or the other. The operating system provides certain services to the users which can be listed in the following manner. Program execution. The operating system is responsible for execution of all types of programs, whether it be user programs or system programs. The operating system utilizes various responses available for the efficient running of all types of functionalities. Handling input or output operations. The operating system is responsible for handling all sort of inputs, that is from keyboard, mouse, desktop, etc. The operating system does all interfacing in the most appropriate manner regarding all kinds of inputs and outputs. For example, there is difference in nature of all types of peripheral devices such as mouse or keyboard. uh, then operating system is responsible for handling data between them. Manipulation of file system. The operating system is responsible for making a decisions regarding the storage of all types of data or files, that is floppy disk or hard disk or pen drive, etc. The operating system decides how the data should be manipulated and stored. Error detection and handling. The operating system is responsible for detection of any types of errors or bugs that can occur while any task. Uh, the well-secured OS sometimes also acts as a con- countermeasure for preventing any sort of branch to the computer system from any external source and probably handling them. Resource resource allocation. The operating system ensures the proper use of all the resources available by deciding which resource to be used by whom from how much time. All the decisions are taken by the operating system. Accounting. The operating system tracks an account of all the functionalities taking place in the computer system at a time. All the details such as the types of errors occurred and recorded by the operating system. Information and resource protection. The operating system is responsible for using all the information and resources available on the machine in the most protected way. The operating system must foil the attempt from from any external sources and hamper the sort of data for or information. All the services are ensured by the operating systems for the convenience of the users to make the programmer's task easier. All different kinds of operating systems more or less provide the same services. Thank you.